Hello everyone, my name is Rahul. In today's video, we will learn that what are the apps in Shopify. We add apps in Shopify to enhance our website functionality. Like in WordPress, we add plugins to enhance the website functionality. Like in Shopify, we add apps in Shopify to enhance the website functionality. Suppose if you want to add some new feature to the website, so you can add the app in Shopify. You have to go here in apps, and like all the installed apps will show here. So if you want to add a new app to the Shopify, so visit this. So here you can search any app you want to add in a Shopify. Suppose you want to add the store locator app. So here you will see the store locator apps. You can add the app by clicking here. So some ads are paid and some ads are free. Okay, so you can add this app by adding on this button. So it will ask to install the app. So this app has been added to our Shopify website. Like this app has been added to Shopify. If you want to delete this app, you can click on here. Okay, so here you can add all these things in the store. So like, okay, so in this way we can add the apps in Shopify. So in the next tutorial we will learn that how to add some like form apps in the website Shopify website. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Please like the channel. Thank you.